Hello everyone, in this is a video about a band limited op amp using Matlab Simulink. Here this model implements a band limited op amp. The op amp is connected to a open loop in the circuit, that is in the form of a differential amplifier. This is to show the effect of the first order dynamics. When run the simulation, you can get the linear circuit response. Here also you can set the linear circuit to view the frequency response by using this reconfigurable code. Also you can see the code here. Here this is the frequency response of this band limited op amp circuit. This is the phase response, phase and magnitude response is shown here. By using Explorer Simulink SSC Explorer, you can see the simulation result of AC voltage at 1 kHz and control voltage, AC voltage and AC voltage source, and band limited op amp at point CP, and reference R out and R in. In this manner we can see the voltage controlled voltage source and voltage controlled voltage source 1. Here also you can see this is a reference op amp and source. Also we can analyze AC voltage. Here also we can see the reconfigurable code here. For this is the code for linear AC circuit to view the current response. Here this example script shows how can you view the small signal frequency response of a Simscape model by using linearization. This it uses the example of SSC op amp band limited Simulink file. Thank you.